Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of Vanilla Ink's daily updates, and today you're coming recorded from my home where I have created office space for myself, so I thought I'd let you see what I've done. So we're just through here. There we go, you can see Scott's office, excellent. You've got a brand in there as well. Go in here. Look at that. A wee desk, a wee chair, somewhere to write. And round here, don't really have far to go to the toilet. So, excellent stuff, man. So, day off today. I spent this morning mainly doing this. Oh, dog. And outside as well. Oh, Kate's made an update. God, can't believe it. I suppose I didn't like it. And then me and Amy did a bit of this. Guys that were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got one little fight and my mom got scared. She said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." But mainly, the main feature of today was this. You're going to love this. Hello, welcome to Baking with Vanilla Ink. Today is a very exciting day because, as you can see, I have a helper. In fact, I have 2 helpers. So this is amazing. So for this content, what we've got is one half of, what's your YouTube channel again?
Delicious Dancing Donuts.
Delicious Dancing Donuts. Like and follow. Go give us a like. Subscribe. So this is amazing. Yes, we're being told by the director, who's off camera, that we're going to wash our hands. But what she doesn't realise is that this presenter is already intelligent enough to know that we need to wash our hands before we do this. Okay? Thanks, director. Yeah, she's silent. Okay. So Amy is one half of Direct Dancing Douchebags. What are you?
Delicious Dancing
Delicious
Donuts.
Dancing Donuts. And that's quite appropriate because they are indeed donuts. What we're going to do today is we are making brownies. Alright, so it's a day off. We've been outside on our own and now we are bored. So we are going to take our clothes off. There we go. So, Amy's going to tell you what we have here for brownies. We have
Egg.
We have
Flour.
We have
Caster sugar.
We have
Chocolate.
We have
Cocoa powder.
We have
Butter.
Excellent stuff. That's great. Right, on you go.
I don't know.
Excellent. Right, so we're going to wash our hands and we're going to make brownies and we'll do a really sped up video and then we'll show you the end result. Alright? Do we have a catchphrase or something?
No.
Go Donuts! So that's us done. Where's Amy? Amy!
Hello.
Made the brownies. Look at that chocolatey goodness, lads. And now they go in the oven. And because of technology, Amy, not just like computers and stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Right. I can just show you that in the zone. All right, right, going in the oven. Well, this is why we're a team, Amy. Teamwork makes the dream work. Now be careful, children, to not burn your hands. You'll notice that Amy's taken all the precautions and has been taught by a sensible human grown adult. Haven't I, Amy?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Okay, let's see how they cook. So, we are now responsibly going to remove these, aren't we?
It smells so good.
Please be careful, Amy. That's me being responsible, lads. I'm not being responsible. They look weird. Okay.
Yeah.
Look as if they're made of plastic.
Yeah.
Well,
You can try them first.
okay. Okay. Yep. Cool down enough. And we are going to do a wee taste test here. What corner bit? Ooh. Is it worth it?
What?
Was it worth it? Can't confirm. No? That's yours. That's not mine. I'm joking. That bit's mine too. That concludes today's daily update. Doesn't it, Amy?
I don't know.
Amy, I'm sure we'll be back for future videos. Until tomorrow, you need to learn this, okay? Stay, what is it? Stay well, keep well, be kind. Stay safe, keep well, be kind. Bye bye.